Hello, and welcome to Origami with Miss Cynthia. I'm very excited because it's getting really close to our Easter celebration and we get to create these Easter bunnies. Now, let's get started.
The supplies you will need are one 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, a pair of scissors, and some coloring supplies. Alright, you guys, once you guys selected the sheet of paper you would like to work on for your bunny, go ahead and grab one side and go ahead and fold it in a triangle shape. And we're going to go ahead and cut the side piece off. So go ahead and cut that rectangle off. And just like that. Go ahead and open up your sheet of paper. Now what we're going to do is bring your top and fold to the bottom. So top to bottom, go ahead and open it up. Now you have a crease going right through the middle and fold the bottom towards that middle crease. Now top to bottom, top to the middle crease there. Okay, so now I'm just going to rotate my sheet of paper this direction, and we're going to fold all of the corners towards that middle crease. Okay, so we're going to start off on the bottom. So grab your little corner here and then just fold that towards the middle and crease it. You're going to do that to the bottom. Now we formed a rectangle here at the bottom. I'm sorry, a triangle, not rectangle, Miss Cynthia. That triangle, go ahead and just fold it up. Now, again, this fold, your paper starts getting thick because of the many folds it has. So just crease it real good there. Flip it around and you're going to do the same thing, okay? So we're going to take care of our corners. And bring our triangle over. Just like this. All right, go ahead and open it back to the position we first began with, like this. Now what we're going to do from here is our corners need to come in. So this edge right here, what you're going to do is go ahead and just help by lifting up the flap here and push and crease like that, okay? So I'll do this again. We're going to need to do this to all four corners. So go ahead and lift up the flap. And then your side piece, go ahead and just push, 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 because this crease here needs to align this direction. All right, and then we're going to crease that real good. We're going to do the same thing to the top. So lift up that flap. Our crease, we're going to just gently push down. Like this. Same thing to the other side. Lift and push. And we crease. Alright, so what we have ended up with is you have one side, well both sides, top and bottom, that are solid. See how it doesn't open? But this right here, it opens up. So we need to be able to flip it. So this is at the bottom, this is at the top. How we do that, we're going to bring the two flaps to the top. So swing those over. And then the back side, you're going to just bring it down. Okay? So let's do it again since we have to do it down here again. So flap, flap, bring it down. And then let me flip it over so you can see what we're doing in the back. And then all you have to do is just bring this to the back. Okay, so now what we have done is we switched them. So our flaps are to the top and bottom and the solid ones inside. All right, so now go ahead and flip the piece back to your smoother side, because on this side, remember, you have the two diamonds going. You got two diamonds on here. Okay, so go ahead and grab this edge here, and you're not going to fold it all the way to the center piece, to that center crease. You're just going to fold it in half, okay, like this. And then of course, this piece right here is really thick. All right, let's do the same thing to this side, okay? Let me try to move my hands out of the way so you can see what we're doing. So think about it as point A, point B come towards the middle of your triangle here. I'm gonna crease there, crease there. Okay. Now go ahead and flip the whole thing over. Now what we're going to do, make sure that you're working on this, on the edge, on the side where your flaps are on the bottom, okay? Because one side will have the flaps, the other one does not. So go ahead and bring this triangle. This will be towards the bottom and this one will end up on the top. So what we're going to do is focus on this, these points right here. Pretend there's like a imaginary line going through right here. And you're just going to bring this down and then fold this towards the top. Like that. Okay? See how we did that? So you're just going to bring these down and fold it there. All right, so now at this point, what we're going to do is go ahead and fold the entire piece. I'm going to show you this is what it looks like in the back. Okay, your ears. This is your. I know it does not look like a bunny. I promise it will look like a bunny, but this is your bunny ears, and then its feet. So we're going to go ahead and grab the entire piece and fold it right in half, just like so. I promise it will look like a bunny. It's starting to. Okay, so look at this. So this is your bunny ears and its nose there. So we're going to pull together your bunny ears. So grab your bunny ears and then kind of just pull it up. And you'll start to see its neck there. And we crease, okay? And you want to crease really good because it does get really thick. All right, so our bunny, we don't want it to have a really pointy nose. So we're going to put our finger through here and then just press. Let me show you this way. Okay, so open that up a little bit. Makes it easier to push the little nose in. And then just press your nose, the little tip, and hide it away in there. Like this. Okay. All right, let's work on its feet. So you're going to bring this to the back, okay? So let me flip it over, and you're going to bring this all the way down. So this edge right here, bring it so it aligns to here, to the bottom, and then the point here will end up sticking out a little bit past its front feet. So we're creating another little triangle on the back. And then we're just going to see how we folded this. It sticks out a bit. Just crease that like this. All right, so bring it back. One side it'll look like this. All right, so bring it back. And all we have to do is open up the bunny, and we're going to hide these away, following that crease that we just created. Just going through it and just creasing it one more time. Here's our bunny. I'm gonna go ahead and just fold his ears a little bit. And of course you could always draw on your bunnies. Let's do his little eye. You can add a googly eye if you'd like. You can add some details to it. And then let me get some color on his little nose. And then of course, some bunny whiskers. And there you go, guys. Though that is your, aren't these adorable? These are so cute. Your bunny, your Easter bunnies. There you go. I hope you guys have fun with these origami bunnies.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. Now we'll see you next time for more origami fun. Bye-bye and happy Easter.